Good morning, Team Rainy Day. Good morning, Groundworks Tribe. This is a really important day for me, probably one of the most important days in my entire life. Today, August 28th, 2024, we are making history. Today, Rainy Day is united together with Groundworks.
I do want to be the first to welcome you to Groundworks. My job is to tell you about what we're doing and frankly, elicit your excitement about what we're doing here in the future and specifically here in the Pacific Northwest. As of today, you are an owner of Groundworks, every single one of you. You are the men and women that are building this business, along with me and everyone else. You deserve to have a piece of the growth, and that's what this will facilitate.
Today, our Team Rainy Day has evolved and quite simply become an amazing company.
The company you're joining today is the fastest growing home services company ever created. We believe in the power of leadership. We believe leadership can be taught, and we will invest in all the folks at Rainy Day on what that looks like.
One team, united, together, because of you. Because each and every one of you cared at every step of the way.
I hope you think about this. Today is an opportunity to change your life if you seize it.